Hi, today we have come with a review of this one more product. I got this from China. It took quite a long time. These are curtain buckles, and I bought them because they are very low price. Let's open and see. It's a new curtain. These are called magnetic curtain buckles, and the price is about $1, so it's very cheap, and these are of good quality. These are creative pearl curtain buckle, and these are clip for hanging, curtain strap, wall buckles, and accessories for home decor. There are different colors available, and these are nicely packed. Let's open and see how the product is like. You can see that this is good quality nylon thread, and these are pole balls. These are made of pole, and you can see they can easily, there is a magnet, so you can just put one of this or two on this on each curtain, and it looks very nice. We are thinking of importing these in bulk quantity from different shops and locations. It has a geometric pattern on it, and it has a nice magnet. These can be used for different accessories like poles, tracks, and different accessories. And the material is made of crystal. This is crystal quality, and the design is balcony design, and it has this magnet button. So this gives a very nice look to the curtain, and they have different colors like silver, blue, red, and different things on it. This is yarn dyed thread, and it's very nicely made, not bad for this price. $1 is very less nowadays. So if you need this in bulk, you can contact us or leave a message. Please like our video and subscribe our channel. If you have any questions, we would be happy to ask you. Specification for this product I will give under the video. Thank you very much, and have a nice day. Bye bye.